career path with Philips Security, I was awarded Top Performer Achiever, Top Trading Representative in Stock and CFD, and Top ETF in the Global Market Award and Best Team Award. In 2016, okay, together with my team, we were recognized by Philips Security top management to allow us to open the first Philips Investor Center in the Jurong East area. So this is our new office at Westgate Tower. So I also one of the regular sharing in the YouTube channel. All right, so under this channel called Well Hero, so you can search, you know, in the Google Well Hero, okay, YouTube channel, and then you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Whenever we have any posting, all right, you'll be alerted. And then I also one of the regular guests invited by 958. Okay, just yesterday I just interviewed by one of the DJ, talk about US market, Hong Kong market, and then Singapore market in Chinese 啦哈。酒吧的朋友们也是很开心哦，感谢你们一直来的支持啦哈，酒吧的朋友。So today objective, all right, what I will do is that okay, I will do the homework for you. Okay. I will do the homework for you. Homework. Now, the homework that I mentioned, right, is not your school homework, okay? It's the stock analysis homework, okay? Stock analysis homework. Okay, stock analysis. And then I will talk about stock idea. Right? And then followed by some technical analysis, okay? To identify the support level and the resistance level of the stock. 所以今天我会跟大家分享就是说要看哪一些股票，然后看哪一些板块，还有我会用这些用那个技术分析来跟大家分享哪一只股票就是说它的价位在这个支持点或者是这个阻力啦，所以会跟大家分享。Then next thing is about the time frame. Okay, this is a stock investment time frame, which is important to everyone. Okay, because sometimes you cannot make decision whether you want to cut loss or not. It's because of the time frame is not clear. Okay, so once your time frame investment is clear, it's making easy for you to make decision. Okay, so there are 3 time frame. Okay, the first one is a short-term investment, short-term trading, right, and then mid-term. And then followed by long term. All right. So basically, you know, 我们有这个3个投资方案了哈，所以要看个人就是说你能承担的风险多大 ，OK， 你就决定说你要采取怎样的策略 ，OK， 第一个就是短线操作 ，OK， 中期操作，还有另外一个最后一个就是长期投资 ，OK， 长期投资的话 ，OK。这个名称是非常危险的因为一旦你不知道你在投资什么公司的话，那个股票大跌 then 你不知道如何要不要该止损还是什么，所以我相信就是说要通过交易 OK 才能帮助你 OK 选最好的股票。所以 based on my experience that long-term investment is a dangerous word if you do not know what you are doing. Because why? Most of the people, you know, they always think that the company that they have buy right through the stock market is always a good company. Am I correct or not? So does it sound familiar to every one of you? OK? 因为每个人买的股票他都希望说这个股票会涨。你明白吗？为什么？因为他的钱已经就是说流入进去这个公司了，他已经用这个钱来买这个公司了，所以他当然想要在这个公司赚钱，对吗？所以一旦你有这样的想法的话如果这个公司开始不好了，价格开始大跌了 then 你会怎样 ？OK， 你会卖出吗？当然，你的思维告诉你说你不会卖出，因为你要赚钱，但是你现在亏钱的话，所以你不知所措，要怎样不知道要怎样该做，所以 that's a dangerous word. Okay, if you want to invest long term, make sure you have a proper educations. All right, most of the people invest for long term is because of the dividend. Okay, for example, and then blue chip, and then followed by REITs. Okay, but recently good REITs drop a lot because of the what? Because of the interest rate effect, interest rate effect. All right. And then midterm investment, we have growth stock, followed by some blue chip. Okay. And then we do have a stop loss. Okay, we must set stop loss. And then short term, obviously, most people will trade penny stock. And then followed by growth stock and speculative stock. And lastly, story stock also. Okay. So obviously, when you see you are trading this penny stock without fundamentals analysis, and then growth stock, the company is not making money, all right, purely based on revenue. And then speculative stocks, you know, it's not a fundamental company. And then the story stocks is purely based on the revenue, all right, and the storytelling. So therefore, you must set a stop loss, right? So once you are clear what stock that you are buying, and then it's making easier for you to make money. You get what I mean? 所以一旦你能就是说决定你要采取怎样的行动，或者你的目标很明确的话，所以你一旦做了一些东西，就是说你买卖股票的话，你做的决定会比较快了比如说好像 short term investment，OK， 短期的话，你可以看到你是买小股 ，OK， 那个公司是不赚钱的 ，OK， then 一旦有下跌的话，你一定要止损，就不要投资长期了这样的简单的做法会比较好会比较好。不然的话，很多人当股票下跌的时候，他才来想 ，OK， 想好了过后，那个股票已经跌了30%、40%都来不及了 ，right？ So that's the problem most of the retail investors have. Now today, let me share with you the index performance first. OK, index performance first. OK， 我们先看一些指数先看一些指数。So based on the current market situation, what happened is that, all right, we take a look at the index first. So we take a look 海指或者是这个什么 SDI index, okay, SDI index, all right. So SDI index, so if you look at the index, right, SDI index doesn't look good, okay, it doesn't look good, So you can see that the price actually gap down. Let me zoom in a little bit. So you may notice that the price actually gap down. 就是说跳空开低了跳空开低的话并不是一个很好的状况 OK 因为为什么呢就是说很多大户他把这个股票 OK 在新加坡股票大量的卖出尤其是上个星期了你可以看到上个星期 OK 他们大量的卖出所以导致很多蓝筹股都下跌的很多 OK， 所以新加坡股市到目前为止来说，虽然它有这个超卖的状况它有这个超卖的状况，有可能会反弹一点点，然后跌回有可能会反弹一点点，然后就跌回所以有可能的到目前为止 OK， 今天我们现在所看新加坡股市并不是很好了并不是很好。OK， 有可能短期会反弹为什么短期会反弹呢？因为它已经超卖了很多。So short term, okay, SDI index may rebound a little bit. All right, reason is because that previously, you know, the sell down was aggressive, okay, and then it become oversold. So when oversold these situations, all right, a technical rebound, so-called a temporary rebound, will happen anytime. Okay, will happen anytime. So in case you manage to catch short-term trading, and then make sure you know how to take profit. Okay, you know how to take profit. All right. So overall, SDI index is pretty weak. Okay, it's pretty weak, and then you can see that the index are trading. Okay, below the support level. All right, you can see that index are trading below the support level. So they are trading in below support level. So what happened is that maybe they will have a short-term rebound and then they go down further. Maybe, OK? 有可能了哈，有可能 ，OK？ 所以我的意思是说，要特别的小心了哈，要特别的小心 ，All right？ 所以这个是 STI Index。所以为什么呢？因为我看到的状况就是说，S&P 500最近OK，S&P 500最近涨了多少%？涨了7.7%。OK，S&P 500涨了7.7%，但是海指 OK 跌了5.5%。所以这个告诉我们就是说大户已经在新加坡股市撤出来。OK， 大户在新加坡股市撤出来。所以现在你可以看到相反就是说美国股市大涨，新加坡股市大跌。之前新加坡股市表现不错，可是美国市场表现得很烂，所以你可以看到他们是相反的，新加坡股市跟美国股市是相反的。所以现在新加坡股市表现得很差，可是美国市场有大量的反弹，所以你就看到就是说有可能我有可能就是说这个资金已经流入这个美国市场当然美国市场的话 OK is still considered downtrend, all right? And what does that mean? Okay, downtrend means that there are a lot of the resistance. OK， 所以美国市场虽然有反弹，可是它还是属于下降趋势的状况。OK， 下降趋势的状况就是说，如果它有反弹的话 ，OK， 它就会遇到很多的阻力。OK， 所以现在的话如果它遇到很多这阻力的话，有可能它也是会回调，它也是会回调。所以你们如果有操作美国市场的话 ，OK， 你们也是要小心了 ，OK。但是现在有两种说法OK， nowadays OK or recently these few days there are two type of argument. OK, two type of the argument means that OK some investor or some expert thought that the recent rebound in the US market it could be a bear trap. OK, it could be a bear trap. What does that mean? It could be due to OK short seller, all right, short seller buy back the stock to cover their short position. So this is the first argument, all right, bear trap. Second argument is that okay, another expert, okay, they believe, all right, okay, October market is a rebound market. October market is a rebound market, and then they also argue that all right, during that night, okay, there was a bullish candlestick. So now, what does that mean by this bullish candlestick? Okay, according to this expert, this bullish candlestick could be due to the real investor who are buying the stock. Because if they talk about a short seller buy back the stock, okay, the buy up may not be so aggressive during that night. Why? Okay, because during that night, when the CPI index was announced, the market was open lower. However, in the midday, the index shoot up. Okay, the index shoot up unexpectedly. Okay, the index shoot up unexpectedly, and then they close at the positive level. All right, 所以当初那晚CPI 一旦他们推出这个消息的话，美国股票跳空下来开低 ，OK， 所以很多人就跑去卖空，那时候他们就被 trap 了，他们去卖空。但是在就是说1-2个小时过后，美国市场就反弹，所以那时候几号？那时候是在13号 ，OK， 10月13号。所以这个状况是非常特别的状况。所以他告诉我们有可能这些买家是真正的买家 OK 是真正的买家。所以很多人散户的话，他们就 confuse。OK some of you confuse is it a real buyer or is it because of the short seller buy back the stock? So it's become so confused. When come into these situations, normally what I will do is that based on my experience, all right, normally what I will do, I will buy small position first. Okay, I will buy more small position, and then the intention is to what? Intention is to, okay, this called participate. 华语叫参与了参与 ，OK？ 为什么呢？因为在很多时候股票在不确定性的时候反弹，你知道吗？因为之前很多人在慌嘛 ，OK？A lot of people were so fearful，OK？Previously, I think last 2 weeks, alright? But then a lot of people they don't dare to buy also, alright? But do take note, okay? A lot of time market rebound, okay, during the uncertainty. Okay, so how are we going to know? Basically, we do not know as well. I myself do not know. Okay, that's why we participate in a small position. Okay, 所以你可以少许的买进。OK， 少许的买进的话有好处，为什么呢？有好处，因为如果市场真正反弹的话 ，OK， 你已经就是说参与了，所以你可以再做决定是否要不要加仓。All right, so that is the advantage if you participate with a small position, and then if the stock market continue to go up, then you can make a decision whether you want to add position or not. All right, so this should be the way lah. Okay, we have to have a strategy how to enter, and then we also have to have a strategy how to exit as well. All right, and then followed by NASDAQ. Okay, what happened to NASDAQ? All right, so NASDAQ, if you look at it, okay, it's still downtrend, very obvious. All right, again, downtrend means that, all right, market may hit a lot of the resistance. Okay, may hit a lot of the resistance, and then you must know when to take profit as well. So recently, NASDAQ also went up how many percent? They also went up around 8.5%, which is a lot, okay, within 4 days, okay? And then we also noticed this was a bullish candlestick. All right, so 13号 OK， 同样的这个纳斯达克指数也是有这个非常漂亮的蜡烛证明说这个买家大量的买进 OK， 证明说这个买家大量的买进。可是刚才我有说过现在有2种说法，一种人他就说有可能那时候卖空者把他们的股票买回来盖盘，这个是第一种说法。第二种说法就是说 OK， 有可能真正的买家买进，所以在这样的不确定的情况下 OK， 往往股票就会反弹。可是如果你一旦害怕的话，有可能你会错过机会。所以刚才我教你们怎样做呢？就是少许买进，最重要是要参与一点点 OK， 参与一点点。如果你是对的话，你可以再加仓；如果你是不对的话 ，OK， 你就止损 ，OK， 你就止损。All right, so I repeat again, OK. So during the uncertainty, all right, you know, most of the time the market will rebound. So how are you going to do? Okay, based on the strategy, my suggestion to you is that the way I do, I participate with a small position, and then I will always set a stop loss. Stop loss is important in case market turn against us. Okay, we will exit from the market. But however, if the market are in our favor, then we can decide, okay, whether we want to add position or not. So this should be the way, all right? This should be the way. In case, okay, you are too worried about the index, okay, some people they trade index because index is very volatile when you look at the index. But somehow there are some stock that move up, okay, smoothly in uptrend. So that's why you must have the tools, okay? And then you also must have the skills, okay, to choose the right stocks, okay, to invest in the correct directions, right? 所以如果你不要操作指数的话，你其实也是可以操作这个股票，但是在这样不确定的时候往往有一些股票是上升趋势的，慢慢上涨的，所以如果你要找这些上升趋势的股票，在这样的情况下，你一定要有技能然后另外一个东西就是你一定要有工具 ，OK， 你一定要有工具。如果你没有工具的话，你是永远找不出那些上升趋势的股票 ，All right， 所以就是说要通过学习了才会达到你的就是说在股市里赚钱的目标。Now, Hang Seng, okay, the weakest market in the world, all right. Hang Seng is the weakest market in the world, all right. So, like what I explained previously, okay, if you are a long-term investment or long-term investor, all right, I always believe that China is the big market. There are a lot of the good fundamental company, you know, in China that is listed in the Hong Kong stock market. So if you are a long-term investor, all right, I believe, you know, it is an opportunity for you to accumulate some good fundamental stock, okay, from China through Hong Kong Stock Exchange, all right? And obviously, Hong Kong market is still weak, okay, it's still weak, all right? But the way you do, like what I mentioned, okay, for good fundamental company, you want to buy at the lower point, okay? And you want to catch the bottom, all right? It's not easy also, so that's why you need to you need to buy slowly, okay? You need to buy slowly, and then you need to what we call that buy progressively, okay? 少许的买进 ，OK， 因为这个中国市场我相信未来也是会属于很大的市场 ，OK， 一旦他们的经济有所改善的话 ，OK， 我相信他们的股市也会继续的上涨，所以有可能在这个时候虽然这个股票的这个行情不是太好，在这个这个香港有可能我觉得我个人认为的话，也是一个机会买进一些好的股票。如果你是长期投资者长期投资者一定要记住，只能买好的公司。要怎样买呢？在这种情况下，就是少许的买进 ，buy progressively, because we do not know when is the bottom, all right? Because the index keep going down lower and lower and lower, okay? So hopefully next year will be a better year. Hopefully next year will be a better year lah. At least you participate, okay? The word important keyword is participate. No matter how much you buy, it's not important, okay? You buy small position, it also consider participate, all right? At least when the market rebound, you are already inside with a small position. You get what I mean? So remember the keyword is participate. 所以我要跟大家分享的话，最重要你们有参与 ，OK？ 当这个股市就是说有反弹的时候 ，OK？At least 你们有参与，不管你们买多少了你们买少许的话也是属于参与嘛。最重要你们有参与了当这个牛市来的时候，你们已经在里面了你们已经在里面了。then 过后你们要再加仓的话，随时可以加仓，在牛市加仓是大概没有问题的Alright, so this is index. Okay, I have done my what we call that homework. So conclusion is that STI is bear and oversold. Okay, may short-term rebound. Okay, so S&P 500 and NASDAQ, okay, rebound. Okay, and then Hong Kong still weak. Right, Hong Kong still weak. 可以吗？ So rebound, okay, like what I mentioned, okay, the strategy is small position. Okay, with what? With stop loss. Right? So the keyword is, again, I repeat again, is participate. Small first. Right? 可以吗? Okay, so the next thing is what we call that US midterm elections. Okay, 接下来的话11月份有这个美国选举。OK， 11月份有一个美国选举，所以根据报道的话，每一次选举的年份美国选举的年份股票通常都是会大跌。OK， 就是说好像今年这样就是大跌。Alright, so based on the past record, right? During the US election year, okay, US market always pull back or always have corrections. And as of now, the US market already entered a bear market. All right. But however, based on the record, okay, after the elections, okay, the S&P 500 will rebound, based on average 32%. Okay, 32% after the election year. All right. I'm not sure is this true, okay, because today or this year, there are too many factors. Okay, there are too many factors. War, okay, inflation, and then interest rate. So there are too many factors. All right. So although you are buying, so make sure you must be careful. Okay, always be careful. All right, always set stop loss in case market turn against you. All right. Reason is because that anything can happen in the stock market. Okay, anything can happen in the stock market. So midterm elections. Okay, based on the past data. Okay, May to October. All right, May to October. May to earlier October, okay, will be a bear. Okay, so right now we are entering October actually. Okay, in the mid-October, and based on the past record, this is a past record now. Okay, so US will rebound in October. All right, but is it true? Okay, so don't believe what people say, and you must react to a situation whereby if the market sell down. Okay, so don't believe what people say, and don't believe what we call that what you have actually listen to your friend or any stock guru, and always observe the market and then react to the situations. All right, but of course, personally, I hope that the market will rebound. Okay, I hope market will rebound. Okay, and today and yesterday, this few days, we see some little hope. Okay, we see some little hope. US market S&P 500 rebound around 7%. So this is a little hope, right? So we hope that it will continue the momentum. Okay, and based on the what we call that past record. Okay, this record is from 1929. Okay, 1929年到2020年。OK， 平均率。OK， 平均率的话，每一个 bear market，OK， 熊市都会下跌差不多32%哦。这个是 S&P 500啦哦。then 它的这个就是说回调的就是说它回调几天的话，大概是289天了哦。289天的话，大概是 9.5 month MTH。So 这个是平均率 ，alright， 平均率 ，OK。And then based on the past record, okay, October, it always market bottom, okay. October market is always bottom, right? So this is again based on the past record, and then and like what I mentioned, okay, anything can happen in the stock market, all right? So you just need to be careful, okay? And like what I explained, okay, if you want to buy, you buy small position first, and then if you are right, you can add the position along the way, okay? And always make sure you set the stop loss 啦，哦，可以吗？所以根据这些报道的话，他们告诉我们说，通常美国市场就是说10月份是有可能捞底的时候啊，因为根据这个之前的报道的话，每一次10月份美国市场有可能会反弹，但是这个是根据之前的报道，今年有不一样哦。之前我有告诉过大家，今年的状况是什么哦？就是说这个通货膨胀啦，还有这个利息的调高啦，还有这个打仗啦，都会造成这个股市不动摇哦，所以你们也是要小心。但是如果你们还是要买进的话，你们要采取这个策略，就是说少许的买进，然后 set stop loss。如果你们对的话 ，OK， 你们可以决定再加仓。如果股市下跌 ，then 你们就是说你们就是止损了，止损出去，好不好？So this is what we call that strategy. And then like what Andy Tan mentioned, okay, there is a workshop called Mastering Price Action. So this Mastering Price Action is currently subsidized by the IBF up to 90%. Only it will be last for this year. Okay, next year most likely we don't have any subsidy anymore. So that's why I encourage every one of you to participate in this workshop so that you can learn more and prepare for the next bull runs. Okay, if you don't learn more, and then how are you going to participate in the bull run? So do you realize that most of the time, how come you miss out the opportunity is because you are not prepared? 所以很多时候为什么你没有参与牛市，是因为你没有做好准备。所以一旦你做好准备的话，你会每次参与这个牛市的市场，因为你已经有了技能，你已经有了你懂得这个投资的方案 ，OK， 你应该知道你要买进多少亏损是多少。所以 if you are still do not have this skill, my suggestion to use that, okay, you can come for my mastering price actions, okay, currently still up to 90% subsidy, all right. So there are some good testimonial, okay, given by this, what we call it, the peoples of the student have attended my webinar, all right. So this one I want to share with you before I proceed on to the watch list. So Singapore watch list 越来越少 ，OK， 越来越少。Right， 我们有 Golden Energy，and then 我们有 Chip and Seng，OK， Seng Siong，OK，DBS also weak，alright， 所以我们先看一些股票尤其是这个DBS， 我们先看 DBS 先 ，right， so DBS you can see that they begin to turning weak as well, all right, and then the price is trading below, okay, is it below? Okay, so the price rebound today, right, so the price rebound today, so this is a resistance area, all right, 所以刚才有说过，因为 STI index 还值因为下跌的太多，它已经进入这个超卖区，所以超卖区的话，有可能随时会反弹，技术性的反弹。技术性的反弹是什么？有可能是暂时性的反弹了。所以如果你有买进的话，有可能 ，OK， 在这边主力的时候，你就要卖出，所以这个是主力 ，right？ 所以 this is 银行股票，银行股票。And then we have Golden Energy. Golden Energy. 所以 Golden Energy 的话也是走软 ，OK， 也是走软了所以你可以看到它已经开始下滑 ，OK， 开始下滑也是要小心了 And then this is a support level, 82 cents. All right, 82 cents. But overall, still consider what? Overall, still consider uptrend. Okay, so when it pull back, touches the support level, you may consider again. But if the price continue to drop, and then no good. Alright, 所以 Golden Energy 的话，现在还是属于上涨趋势的股票。OK， 最近它有回调 ，OK， 回调 ，and then 支持点是82 cent 哦，8毛2分。Then 如果它有继续是下跌，跌破这个支持点的话就不好了哦，所以大家要小心一点。Then Chip and Seng， so Chip and Seng is still pretty strong. Okay, you can see that the support level is still, the price is still support at this level. Okay, it's still pretty strong, and then just that the price is moving in a sideways right now. Okay, and why it's pretty strong is if you compare with other stock, most of the stock already dropped a lot, but this stock is still staying there. Okay, will they drop? I don't know. All right, so that's why you got to monitor. If the price break below the support level, then no good. Okay, if the price break above, then of course is good and strong. All right, so currently these are the few stocks. Siong still strong. Okay, you can see continue the uptrend. Blue chip has been down, but Siong still strong, right? Siong still strong. So we take a look Keppel Corp, because I talk about Keppel Corp because many people asking me about Keppel Corp as well. Is there any rebound for Keppel Corp today? Today we check 18, 19. The price haven't come out yet. Oh yeah, the price already come out. So you can see that the candlestick is very weak for Keppel Corp today. All right. So what does that mean? That means there's no buyer coming in to buy, or there's no buyer coming in to support the price. All right. 所以 OK 你要特别小心。所以之前我有跟大家说过 OK 为什么呢？因为它已经跌破了这个长期的支持点 OK 长期的支持点 OK 所以一旦它跌破了过后，它的股价就开始走软，到今天为止。所以虽然指数有上了一点点，银行 DBS 有上，可是 Keppel Corp 没有上，证明什么？证明这个炒家有可能已经离场了啦，就是在这边的时候已经离场了。OK， 所以如果它有创新低 ，OK。你要特别小心你要特别小心。如果它有反弹的话，当然是好事了but 到目前为止来说，它还没有一个 signal 告诉我们说，就是说买家进场它的 candlestick 就是说它的蜡烛还属于那种比较弱的蜡烛。Okay, so the candlestick tell us that the buyer are not coming in. Okay, the buyer not coming in. All right, so you have to be careful if the price break below the support level, which is $6.67. All right, so you have to be careful. Okay, but of course, if the price rebound, then it's good lah. But as of today, when we talk about Keppel Corp, the price is still weak. The price is still weak, and the other stock we have is Sembcorp Industry. Previously, I always talk about this stock because the stock was uptrend nicely. All right, and until recently, okay, similar pattern. The price break below the what we call that, break below the trend line, which is no good anymore because it means that the seller keep selling the stocks. Okay, keep selling the stock, push down the price further as well. All right, so now the price is considered oversold. Okay, maybe this few days they will have a short-term rebound. Okay, but it will depend how strong is the rebound. Okay, if the rebound pull back and then they may go down further. So you got to what we call that, observe lah, okay? Because here there is a I believe there is a resistance here. Yeah, correct. So this is a resistance. So 3块钱是一个阻力来的哈。So $3 is a psychology resistance, which I consider a strong resistance. Okay, in order for the price to recover, the price must break above $3. If the price stay below $3, okay, it will be considered the price is still weak, right? It will be considered the price still weak, right? So these are Singapore stocks. And then beside that, we also talk about UMS. So UMS previously was pretty strong, right? But however, the price sloping down last few weeks, and then when the price break below the support level, the price continue to sell down. Okay, continue to sell down, right? So today price, okay, the selling has not finished yet. So we can see that, okay, 庄家已经离场 ，okay， 庄家已经离场，不想再操作这个股票，所以他有可能暂时的离场了。Okay, so the good thing is that we managed to what we call that, we managed to share with our client, okay, before the price sell down. Okay, we managed to share with our client, okay, when the price begin to break below, okay, we broadcast to our client through Telegram, so they are pre-alerted before the selling down is occurring. All right, and then similarly for Sembcorp industry, okay, we also pre-alert, okay, our client before the aggressive sell down. So this is what we supposed to do lah as a broker. 所以当初在还没有大跌的时候其实我们已经有就是说告诉我们的客户啦，通过这个 Telegram group， 然后这个技术分析就是我就是用这个技术分析来分析这些股票，一旦没有看到就是说这个不好的状况的话，我们就会告诉我们的客户用这个技术分析的策略 ，OK， alright， and what else? Okay, so this is a Singapore stock. Let us talk about 美国市场 ，OK， 美国市场这个 watch list 的话，跟之前的时候一样，可是有些股票已经开始下跌 ，OK， some of the stock already pull back, right? Some of the stock already pull back. Previously was strong, okay, but recently they begin to pull back as well, right? So currently the price at the support level. So Enphase, okay, Enphase is involved in the 太阳能, okay, green energy. And then we have another one is called First Solar, right? So First Solar also pull back as well. Turning weak, okay, so this is a support level. And energy, OXY, STNG, OXY. So OXY 的话 ，OK， 比较难操作。Reason is because that the price is pretty volatile 啦。OK， so you can see that the price is pretty volatile, but however, overall is still uptrend. Okay, overall is still uptrend. And the other stock is STNG, which I share with everyone. So this stock actually rebound. Okay, congratulations if you have bought some. They rebound and then break above the support level. So this was a break above the resistance level. Okay, right, and the price continue its momentum. So 你可以看到其实虽然是熊市 ，OK， 有些股票还是继续上涨的，所以你只要用对了策略，还有你只要有这个工具的话，你就可以筛选出这些好的股票不然的话，你一直买这个指数上下的话，会很难做。 所以如果你找到一只上升趋势的股票，哦，你买到对的话 ，OK， 你就可以开始享受这个赚钱，哦，你就不用太大的操心。但是最重要也是 set stop loss 啊，哦，好不好 ？And then ELF。Right, so ELF also break out. So ELS also break out yesterday, but however, profit taking was happening. So that's why you can see the bearish candlesticks, shooting star, they call it shooting star. All right, due to the profit taking, but overall, the stock is still uptrend. Right, overall, the stock is still uptrend. Okay, so that's why I repeat again, although market is bear market, there are some stock still continue to moving up slowly and smoothly, right? So if you are trading index, it will be very volatile. Why not you go for these smooth and slow uptrend stocks, right? And then we have a Hong Kong stock. We take a look, COSCO Ship Energy. COSCO Ship Energy. Okay, COSCO Ship Energy pulled back recently. So now they have a rebound, right? They have a strong rebound recently, okay? And then followed by China Shenhua, 1088. China Shenhua also pulled back, okay? The pullback is quite healthy because the pullback didn't go down aggressively, all right? It didn't go down aggressively. So this is a so-called a resistance. So if the price can rebound, continue to rebound and break above the resistance, then we may see another, another wave to moving up. Okay, another way of moving up. And lastly, we have Yan Kuang. Okay, Yati, Yan Kuang 跟 Yati. Yan Kuang. Not this one. Yan Kuang. Yan Kuang Energy. Yep. So Yan Kuang Energy, the sell down is a bit aggressive. All right. How many percent? Around 30%. Okay. A bit aggressive, but we take a look the trend line. Are they hitting trend line? Almost. They are almost hitting trend line. Okay. So if let's say this few days when they touches the trend line and rebound, that is good. But however it break, then no good. All right. So yep, continue to monitor because overall still uptrend. Overall still uptrend. And then we have Yati. So Yati, yesterday strong rebound with bullish candlestick. Is it buyer are coming in? Okay, maybe. Okay, maybe the buyer are coming in. All right. So, right. So the price also break above the trend line. So this is good. Okay, positive sign. Okay, positive sign. Reason is because that buyer are coming in. Okay, coming in. And then previously, it went up quite a lot as well. Around 137% previously. All right. And after that, profit taking was happening when the price hit 18 Hong Kong D, they begin to sell down. Okay, they begin to sell down. All right, so we continue to observe. Okay, so if let's say the price pull back, okay, hit the support and then go up again, that would be good. Okay, that would be good. If the price continue to break below, then no good. 可以吗? Okay, all right. So can you share with me what stocks that you are watching right now? So you might tell me the stock in your Q&A session. Q&A session, right? Medtecs, Medtec, the rebound so strong. So this guy, a bit difficult to catch this kind of stocks, a bit difficult, right? And then you can see that today, profit taking already. So my suggestion to you is that you don't chase. Okay, you don't chase, right? It could be because of the 庄家 ，OK， 有可能开始卖出了，有可能开始卖出，所以这样的状况的话会比较难抓会比较难抓。如果你现在去抓它的话，有可能你会被 trap 因为你可以看到它的蜡烛是一个shooting star。So what does that mean？ 它就是说有可能这些庄家在出场卖出给这个散户。因为通常散户看到这个股票是今天看到，或者是昨天它涨了很多的时候才看到，所以要小心。扬子江 Finance， right， 所以扬子江 Finance 的话，比较 weak， 它跟这个扬子江它的 mother share 不一样。Mother share 的话，它是造船这个扬子江 investment 的话，扬子江 finance 的话是 investment 如果是香港的 investment 不好的话，有可能这个扬子江 finance 也是会不好。OK， 所以之前我也是有讲到这个股票之前为什么呢？因为之前它有上之前它有上，然后它的价格是 sloping up 的sloping up。OK，sloping up 的意思是说 ，OK， 就是说买家愿意出更贵的价钱买进，所以它的价格就 sloping up。可是过后它就开始跌破这个支持点 ，and then 它就开始走下坡。所以虽然现在是在这个支持点了So currently the price is at the support level. Okay, they must rebound If they don't rebound and pull back, then no good already. Okay, the price must rebound. Right. So the support level, okay, or the resistance level will be 40 cents. Okay, 40 cents is a resistance level. Right. Sembcorp Marine. Sembcorp Marine also hitting resistance. Okay. All right, hitting resistance. Not sure the price will pull back or not. Not sure. Okay, not sure. All right. So if you are trading short term or if you are trading breakout, then normally you want to wait for the price to break out. If not, then the price may go down. Okay, hit the support level here. All right. So you can see that 0.118 is a resistance level. And there's no confirmation yet, okay, whether the price will break out or not. No confirmation yet, so you got to wait. All right. My view on the REITs, REITs is still weak, okay, because of the interest effect. Okay, Parkway Life, for example, right? So the REITs is still weak, although it's a good REITs. Obviously, it's because of the interest rate effect. Okay, most of the people, they withdraw and then they what we call that, they put the money in the fixed D. All right, because the fixed D, I think most of you know, they give a very quite good attractive rate with guarantee return for the fixed D. So that's why the REITs were affected. All right, so as long as the interest rate continue to go up, the REITs will not the REITs will continue to be weak until what happened? Until the interest rate begin to stabilize and then the US government begin to adjust the interest rate lower, then we may see REITs are coming back. All right. So that means if the interest rate continue to go up, REITs will continue to be weak. So when the interest rate hit the peak, then you might want to take a look at the REITs. Riverstone. So Riverstone is still considered downtrend as well, all right? Although yesterday did rebound, okay, a little bit, all right, with a huge volume, but however, the price is still pretty weak, all right? So where is the support? Okay, obviously the support is here, okay, and then the resistance is here, all right? If the price can rebound, okay, here is a resistance 63 cents, all right? And then if you happen to enter, make sure you set a stop loss. Always set stop loss. Because why? Because it's still downtrend, right? SATS. So SATS still weak, very weak. All right, SATX is very weak. Based on technical point of view, is that you know, when the stock is still weak and selling down, you know, we shouldn't go and buy lah. So it's like you know, falling knife. So falling knife, if you go and catch, okay, you might catch at the wrong timing. Okay, you might catch at the wrong timing. 所以这只股票它好像这个好像小飞刀这样从这个高点丢下来，所以这个小飞刀如果你去接它的话，当它在跌下来的时候，你去接它的话所以你的手指肯定会受损了肯定会受损，因为这个飞刀跌下来你去接，所以不如正确的做法的话就是当这个飞刀跌落在地上的时候，你才去捡呢。而且你去捡的时候不要用2只手去捡，用1只手去捡先所以就是说，它的故事是这样：如果你要买一只股票下跌的时候你观察先，不要买先，等到它的价格跌到一个程度的时候，就是说走横摆啦，或者是没有再跌新低没有创新低，那你开始才买进，但是你买进的方法也是要少许的买进，不要买太多不要买太多这个是我个人的意见了小飞刀，不要去借那个小飞刀XOM Mobile Exxon Okay, Exxon Mobile oversold not oversold, overbought 超买so they are hitting resistance. Okay, I think it look like a profit taking. All right, it look like profit taking. You might want to take some profit. Okay, because we do not know are they going to break out or not. Okay, it look like the price hovering there. Okay, if they break out, that's good lah. But if they pull back, then of course no good. All right, so this is what we call that support level. Okay, so you have to be careful because previously when it hit the resistance area, it always pull back. All right, so this time we are not sure. There's no confirmation they will break out. Okay, there's no confirmation yet. Okay, UOB. All right, so UOB are pretty weak as compared to DBS. Right, because why? Because the price is trading below 200-day moving average. It's considered one of the weakest bank in Singapore. Okay, so that's why the outlook for UOB doesn't look good. Okay, it's still weak. It's still weak because DBS today got rebound. Okay, DBS you can see today got rebound. Right, but UOB no strength. Okay, no strength already. All right. So using the price actions, normally this is considered weak Okay, consider weak. All right, price action strategy Okay. Can buy set? Personally, I will not buy Personally, I will not buy. Okay. You might want to wait after the right issue. Okay, you might want to wait after the right issue and then you monitor again. Wilmar also weak. Wilmar also weak. All right. So you can see that Wilmar is still trading below 200-day moving average. And there is no sign of rebound. Are these sign of rebound? This is first day rebound. Okay, first day rebound, a very weak rebound. Okay, it's considered a very weak rebound, right? So overall, you can see Singapore market is pretty weak. Okay, pretty weak, right? But however, the price is considered oversold. Oversold, they may have a short-term rebound. Okay, it may have a short-term rebound. Right? I'm not sure will the rebound. Okay, it look like here is a resistance. Okay, and if the rebound can hit here and then pull back again, all right? So the resistance is $3.80, $3.80. Google AEM, Google. Google also very weak, okay, very weak, right? So there are strong resistance here, pretty strong resistance, right? And then yesterday you can see that the sell down is occurring also, so it's still weak, still weak, right? So let me take a look. Right, so I choose the stock from here. If I cannot cover your stock, apologize, OK。所以如果你们的股票我没有讲到的话，非常的遗憾呢，有可能时间的关系了哦。所以你们改一次再来哦。Tesla 就是下个星期再来。Tesla yeah, also very weak. Okay, although hitting support level, all right. But yesterday also sell down a little bit, and this was a bearish candlestick, all right. And resistance, where is the resistance? Obviously, the resistance is here. Huh? So this is a resistance if the price rebound, right? So this is a Tesla. Let's see. Oh, so many stocks here. BAC. Okay, we take a look. BAC, Bank of America, because recently they announced a very good result. All right. So the price also rebound aggressively. All right. So the rebound will be hitting the resistance also lah. The resistance is here. Okay. So you got to be careful lah. Resistance 37块 resistance for Bank of America. Bank of America. Okay. And then what else? Some of you asking about what is that? Oh, AEM. AEM. So AEM, okay, still weak. All right. So we can see that they are at the very dangerous zone. This is a very psychology support level. But however, look like the price is still weak. Look like the price is still weak. Right? Look like the price is still weak. Okay, so you have to be careful. Okay, you have to be careful. There are two what we call that scenario. Either rebound or breakdown. Okay, because overall the price is still weak. ST Engineering. Okay, ST Engineering today got rebound, strong rebound, right? Because overall the price oversold at $3.30. Okay, $3.30. So where is the resistance? Are there any resistance? Yes, they also have the resistance. Where is the resistance? Look like the resistance is pretty high. 3.5 毛. Oh, somewhere here. $3.49. Okay, resistance $3.49. All right. So this is support. The rebound is due to the oversold situations. So when the oversold situations, okay, 超买的过后 then 股票就会反弹 ，OK 反弹。但是这个反弹的话，有可能是暂时性的反弹啊，因为照这个图表来看的话，它的阻力是差不多在3.4毛9哦，3.4毛9，好不好 ？Right. What does this mean when it hit resistance? Gintan, when it hit resistance, that means it hit the what we call that the supply lah, so-called the supply. Okay, so that means people are selling at the zone of the resistance. So Glyn, my suggestion to you is that to attend the mastering price action course so that I can explain to you more and with a lot of the example. All right, because you know today is the time limitation. I'm not be able to explain more. Okay, so if you don't understand, do attend the price action workshop. Okay, maybe last stop. Okay, SIA Amazon. Okay, SIA. SIA. Okay, SIA is pretty volatile as well. Okay, it looked like I think $5 is a support level. $5 is a support level. Okay. So that's why the price rebound lah, $5. $5. Okay, so that's why the price rebound. Okay, currently the price hitting resistance. Okay, so you can see that there are a lot of the resistance, especially when the price sell down aggressively. All right. Okay. So I have noticed quite a number of stock have a technical rebound, so-called temporary rebound. So in case any one of you managed to buy yesterday or this morning, make sure you set stop loss and make sure you know when to sell. Okay, because overall the stock is still downtrend. Okay, may hit resistance. 可以吗 ？OK， 所以我们就讲到这里。OK， 今天，然后let me share with you what we call that the workshop and the class, and I hope that you can share this workshop with your friend and you know your loved one or relative about this workshop, right? Because currently up to 90% still subsidized by the IBF 啦，所以如果你们想上这个mastering price action 的话，就是说怎样操控市场，怎样买进，怎样卖出，在什么价位买进，在什么价位卖出的话 ，OK， 我也是会教在这个mastering price action 的 workshop 教了哦。所以based on this what we call it retail investor problem, alright, retail investor problem, okay. So most of the time you only know how to buy, but you do not know when to sell. Okay, the other one I still remember is Genting Hong Kong. Okay, so Genting Hong Kong. Okay, I think some of the stock are quite familiar to you. I believe some of you bought this stock before, but what happened to this stock right now? Okay, not because the company is bad. Okay, if we talk about Singpost, StarHub, okay, and M1, NOL, this was the good stock. Okay, this was a good stock, but the price keeps selling down. Why the price keeps selling down? It because okay, the fundamental of the company has changed. Okay, the fundamental company have changed, and then the stock price is selling down. Okay, and there is a problem if you are a fundamental analysis and then you keep waiting for the earning report. Okay, because earning report, usually what happens is that earning report will only come out every quarter. Okay, that means 3 months later they will come up. 3 months later. So the problem is that, okay, if you rely on the company result to decide when to sell and when to buy, okay, you might be too late. Okay, you might be too late. All right. That's why a lot of the stocks, okay, gap down is due to what? Is due to a earning report. No good. All right. So that's why my suggestion to you is that to solve the problem, okay, to solve the problem that you have, right, is what I call a price actions. Okay. Why price actions? Okay. Price action is more effective. Okay. Because you look at the chart to make decision. You look at the chart to make decision. Right. For example, some stock like UMS. Okay. When the stock price is selling down, they don't wait for your result. Okay. They don't wait for your result. They will sell down. Okay. When the price, okay, break the support level. Right. So this is what I call price actions. We look at the chart. Reason is because that the stock chart, okay, is tell us the real data. Okay, real data. 所以我们看这个图表哈，是根据这个这个买卖的数据来做出决定。OK， 买卖的数据它有一个 pattern， 我们每个人都有一个 pattern 哦。股票市场哦，尤其是图表的话，它也是有它的 pattern。所以一旦我们可以看出那个 pattern， 我们就可以采取我们的行动，是否要买进或者是卖出。哦，所以我所谓讲的这个 price action 的话 ，OK，which is much more effective is because we look at the chart, they tell us the real data. Okay, real data will not lie. Okay, real data will not lie because why? The stock chart, okay, the prices is derived by the human psychology behavior. So we are studying, okay, we are studying the human psychology behavior to make our decision. So this workshop consists of 14 hours training, and then it's under IBF grant, okay, up to 90%. And if you are interested, like what I mentioned, okay,